Does dinner ever feel like the last thing you have energy for, but you still want something delicious and satisfying? This ground beef bulgogi is fast, full of flavor, and makes weeknight dinners feel easy again. I created this recipe with simple ingredients that delivers bold, Korean-inspired flavor in under 30 minutes. To a large bowl, add 1.5 cups of chopped onion with about 4 tablespoons of garlic, along with the ground beef. So it sounds like a lot of onion and garlic, but it's really important not to hold back, as it's the backbone of flavor for this dish. Traditional bulgogi uses an Asian pear or plum extract, but an apple is an easy substitute that provides a very similar effect. Core and roughly chop either a Fuji, Gala, or Honey Crisp apple. You'll blend the apple with the soy sauce, brown sugar, rice vinegar, toasted sesame oil, ginger, salt, and pepper. If you're short on time and energy, using ground ginger is a great way to go. Also, the garlic and onion can be blended, but you'll lose the sweet caramelized bites of onion that come from having it chopped. Blend the sauce ingredients up well, pour over the ground beef, and mix well. Heat a tablespoon of cooking oil in a large frying pan or wok over high heat. Once hot, add the beef mixture and cook, stirring often. The one thing that will be deceiving is that the beef will release quite a bit of moisture as it cooks, but just know, seeing the moisture means you're on the right track. Just continue cooking and stirring often until the moisture evaporates and the beef starts to brown and sizzle, which will take about 10 to 12 minutes over high heat. At the very end, stir in chopped green onions and turn off the heat. Serve this over your rice of choice. It goes great with my Asian cucumber salad, kimchi, microgreens, and a drizzle of additional toasted sesame oil. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter, where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.